The world is dark and loaded with horrors, however every now and then it graces us with something to warm our icy cold hearts. And that is what we have today, with a single papa who went viral on Twitter after his child posted the photos he sent her when attempting to select an outfit for his date. Life with a single daddy, requesting for guidance on date clothing my heart https://t.co/pim KUG 6PHJCARLI at CARLI 15624603327. After seeing these heartwarming pictures, individuals on Twitter started recommending this cute male date their mamas. It was basically a mom and date matchmaking frenzy. Let's hook them up. Kenzie Joe at Kenzie Joe 15625372226 at Seville_Carly. This is my mama and I. She's single and wild https://t.co/rmkb de UNI gummy at gummy 15625300309 at Seville_Carly. This is my mother and I. She's single and wild https://t.co/rmkb de UNI gummy at gummy 15625300309. Others discovered this to be very relatable material. co/S96GM7W2PJ at 15626149111, and after that things took a brief turn. At Seville_Carly dinner on us, if he brings a date. Kobe SMTX, at Kobe SMTX, 15625155502. Carly exposed that her daddy had been stood up by his date. At Kobe_SMTX, considering he got stood, I'm sure he'll be thankful to hear it. CARLI, at CARLI, 15625162249, and individuals were not happy about it. Who stood this guy up? I'm just trying to have a little chat with her. ELIZABETH ANN at ELIZABETH ANN 15625268874 at ABC 13 Houston at Seville_Carly. Carly, I think we require to set up our moms and dads. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.